In today's video, I will teach you how to create your own stunning clothing logo using Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva and type in the keyword clothing logo on the search bar to open Canva's template library containing tons of customizable clothing logo templates. If you would like to start from scratch, simply click on the plus icon at the top bar and select custom size and input the length and width of your choice. To narrow down your choices, you can simply click on the All Filters option to enable the filters based on your preference. Once you've found the perfect design for you, you can now click on it, and Canva will show you more template options with similar design. Or you can go ahead and click on the Custom Template option. To customize your logo, you can add graphics, text, and images to your design. To add graphics, simply open the Elements tab, and here you can add lines and shapes, graphics, stickers, and more. You can even search up thousands of graphic elements by typing keywords on the search bar. Just keep an eye out for the crown icon, as you will need to upgrade to Canva Pro to use these elements. Once you've added the element of your choice, you can also customize it by using the tools on the toolbar. To add text to your design, simply open the Text tab. Here you can use text templates, or you can start from scratch by adding your own text box. To customize the text, simply refer to the toolbar where you can change the font, size, color, and even add effects on it to make it more unique. You can also upload your own files in the Uploads tab. Once you're satisfied with your design, you can now save it to your computer. Canva also has an option to make a mock-up for your design. Simply go back to Canva's homepage, click on the Apps option on the left side, and select Smart Mockups. Here you can choose which product you would like to see your design, or you can search the product that you would like to put your design on. Once you've found the right mockup for you, simply click on it and select an image or design to use on your mockup. Canva also gives you the option to adjust the design however you want. And once you're satisfied, you can now save it to your computer or use it in another design. If you find this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new tutorial.